Modern anime or Japanese animation originated in the 1950s and 60s and has since become popular all over the world. There are many different anime styles. However, when most people think of anime, they picture characters drawn with youthful features and big eyes. To draw an anime head and face in this style, start by sketching an oval shape that's widest at the top and narrower at the bottom. Divide the face into quarters by drawing one vertical line down the middle and one horizontal line halfway between the top of the face and the chin. Next, sketch in the eyes just below the horizontal line. Make the eyes big enough so that they take up about 1/4 of the height of the face. Draw a thick curved line for the upper lashes. Then draw in a semicircle under the lash line to represent the iris. Add a pupil and shade in the iris around it, but leave a white space to represent light reflecting off of the eye. Then add a thinner line under the iris for the lower lash line. Draw a pair of eyebrows just above the horizontal guideline. For female characters, make the brows fairly thin, but make them heavier if you're drawing a male character. Next, add a new horizontal guideline about halfway between the first one and the bottom of the face. Draw a small vertical curve right where the new horizontal guide crosses the vertical one. This will represent the character's nose. Noses on anime characters are usually very small, but you can experiment with making the nose bigger or giving it a more distinct shape if you like. Another popular technique is to draw a small triangle-shaped shadow on one side of the nose to give it a more three-dimensional look. Now add a third horizontal line halfway between the nose and the chin, and draw the mouth on that line. The mouth can just be a simple horizontal line. Curve it either up or down depending on what kind of expression you want your character to have. Finish up by drawing in the character's hair. Keep it simple. Don't worry about making individual strands. Instead, draw the hair in sections and add a few spikes at the end to suggest strands. When you're done, erase the guidelines. If you want to draw a full figure with a body, start by creating a stick figure in the general pose you want. Then sketch in the basic shapes of the head, torso, and limbs. Anime characters tend to have more childlike proportions than real adults, so aim to make your character about 5 to 7 heads tall instead of a more realistic 7 to 8. Once you've drawn in the guidelines and basic shapes, connect them together with a seamless outline, and fill in details like your character's clothes. When you're done, erase the guidelines.